Is your Venmo account frozen, leaving you unable to send or receive money? Don't panic, because in under 2 minutes, we'll guide you through getting it back up and running. First, let's understand why your account might be frozen. This often happens due to security concerns, attempts to verify your identity, or unusual transaction activity that Venmo needs to investigate. The most common first step is to verify your identity. Venmo will likely send you a notification or email prompting you to do so. This typically involves uploading a clear photo of a government's ID, like a driver's license or passport. Navigate to the Help or Support section within the Venmo app or on their website. Search for terms like frozen account or account limited to find specific guidance and potential contact methods. If direct prompts aren't appearing, and you suspect a security issue, you might need to contact Venmo's support team directly. Look for their contact information on their official website. Be prepared to explain the situation clearly and provide any requested details. Once you've completed the verification steps and addressed any security concerns, Venmo will review your account. If everything checks out, your account will be unfrozen, allowing you to send and receive funds again. Remember, patience is key. Following these steps will help resolve your frozen Venmo account and get you back to seamless transactions. For more #VENMO help, subscribe.